What up, FUMC Youth? This is Flashdance and
Sonic Boom.
We're here to say, hey, 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 hey.
Word.
We've been hearing that your week has been off the chain.
Seriously.
We're here to share little highlights with you that we thought needed to be replayed.
I mean, we've been around. You just don't know.
We're sneaky.
We're in disguise. Yeah, girl. And Louise.
So anyway, one of our favorite nights was the Family Fun Center, and I just want to tell you guys, your skills are off the hook.
Off the chain. Let's see some clips.
Play it for us, Pete.
If you could only wear one pair of shoes for the rest of your life, what color would they be?
That would be light green and pink.
Not green and pink?
Yeah, lime green and pink.
Lime green and pink.
Yes,
okay, gotcha. Cool. How are you enjoying Youth Week thus far? Good. Good?
Oh! FUMC, show it how it's done.
So ballin'.
So ballin'.
Yo, and also,
Bowling.
I just want to say, I got some sweet dance moves I've been watching. Show us some clips, Pete.
You only get to ball half of it.
And not only do y'all got it down by your bad selves.
Let's see it when we get them all together. Collaborative.
Ready, go. Although, as much as I see some of y'all dancing, I see some of y'all doing this.
That ain't gonna cut it.
Boring. Y'all go get your bad selves on. You're like, damn.
Do you know who you got? You got Ohio Avenue playing for you. Let's turn some of those clips, okay?
Not only y'all been dancing and working it, but I've seen y'all been hanging out together. That's great. That's so good.
We know how to chill. Chilling hard.
Hey, what? Yes, hello.
Is Tell alright?
Yeah, that works. That works.
What's going on over here?
Hello.
Brianna?
Is that one of those mind erasing devices? You're trying to erase my mind.
Let me put my sunglasses on.
I'm so sleepy.
I'm just walking around. It's great.
So, well, we just wanted to show y'all some of these great clips. See, y'all having so much fun. Tonight, y'all, take it in. Love on Miss Reverend Rosemary Brown.
Raising the roof.
Take it up, ladies and gents.
She's been here with us 3 days, y'all, and this is her last night. Okay, she's been delivering the word of God like every day, left and right. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah. So let's give her a hand.
Now, girls, you haven't lived until you've dated a sailor.
Oh,
But I had a bathing suit that year, and it was black lace over skin-colored material underneath. You had to get real close to make sure I had anything underneath.
Get it, girl. Get it.
A few minutes had dropped down, and it'd go.
So y'all, enjoy your night. We'll be talking to you later.
keep a lookout for us because we're always present. Alright?
We got you.
Like ninjas. Peace easy. Have a good day tomorrow. We will see you in the future.
Word.